Hello, I'm Elton Robinson with your July 1st grain and oilseed update. U.S. farmers planted a record number of acres to soybeans this year, according to USDA's June 30th acreage report. Soybean planted area is estimated at a record high 83.7 million acres, up 1% from last year. Area for harvest at 83 million acres is also up 1% from 2015 and will be a record high if realized. Record high planted acreage is estimated in Michigan, Minnesota, New York, North Dakota, Ohio, Pennsylvania, and Wisconsin. The planted acreage for soybeans is 1.5 million acres more than estimated in USDA's March 31st planting intentions report. Meanwhile, corn planted area is estimated at 94.1 million acres, up 7% from last year and 500,000 acres more than estimated in March. This represents the third highest planted acreage in the United States since 1944. Grain sorghum planted area is estimated at 7.225 million acres, almost a 15% decline from last year. This includes majorly significant declines in Arkansas and Mississippi. U.S. rice acreage is estimated at 3.2 million acres, an increase of 23% over last year. Acreage increased in all 6 major rice producing states. Producers planted 1.563 million acres to peanuts, according to USDA, a 62,000 acre decline from 2015, but 870,000 acres more than estimated in March. All wheat planted area for 2016 is estimated at 50.8 million acres, down 7% from 2015. The 2016 winter wheat planted area, at 36.5 million acres is down 7% from last year, but up 1% from the previous estimate. And now for the latest on exports. The summary is based on reports from exporters for the week ending June 23rd. Wheat exports of 530,000 metric tons were reported to the Philippines, South Africa, Venezuela, Taiwan, and Kenya, among others. Corn exports of 1.487 million metric tons were up 24% from the previous week and 29% from the prior 4-week average, with Japan, Mexico, Vietnam, South Korea, Peru, and Chile as primary destinations. Grain sorghum exports of 56,000 metric tons were up noticeably from the previous week, but down 33% from the prior 4-week average. The destinations were China, which took 53,000 metric tons, and Mexico. Rice exports of 105,000 metric tons were also up noticeably from the previous week and 93% from the prior 4-week average. Iraq was the largest customer, followed by Japan, Haiti, Mexico, and Jordan. Soybean exports of 388,000 metric tons were up 19% from the previous week and 81% from the prior 4-week average. Destinations included Mexico, Indonesia, China, Japan, and the Philippines. Soybean meal exports of 129,000 metric tons were down 31% from the previous week and 30% from the prior 4-week average, while soybean oil exports of around 6,000 metric tons were down 41% from the previous week and 54% from the average. Beef exports of 14,000 metric tons were down 4% from the previous week, but up 7% from the prior 4-week average, while pork exports of 19,000 metric tons were up 3% from the previous week. Well, that's it for this week's report. I'm Elton Robinson. See you next time.